Look at me. Over here. Wave. Wave to me. Smile. Runway's coming up.
Okay, I got my leg now, okay, Hailey? My jeans. Sorry.
Just hold on to your seatbelt, Hailey. We're good. Look, we're getting lower, Hailey. Look to the side. See, we're getting lower. You're gonna feel us hit the ground. Oh, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. Oh, here we go.
What a horrible landing, huh, Hailey? Probably could have done better job than that. Sorry about that, guys.
About what?
Got a gust of wind at the end there.
That was a bad landing?
That was a horrible landing. It's one of the worst ones I've ever done.
Oh, you're kidding.
Yeah, I'm really sorry.
I thought it was great.
Well, glad you feel that way. Thanks, Shopper Traffic. It's too close to I can tell you the accident, Shopper.
That was cool. How was it, Hailey? Give me 5. Yeah. I figured it was going to be rough. That's why I figured.
Yeah, you know what it is? See how the flag is like that? It's a real good cross when they call it, so the wind's blowing across the runway.
Uh-huh.
So it makes it harder, but I should have done better than that.
Give me 5, Hailey. You did a good job.
You did a really good job, Hailey.
And say thank you.
You want to do me a favor, Hailey? Take these keys and turn them all the way to the left, and then pull them out. Thank you. You want to come back? I don't want to hit your legs there.
No, you're good.
I can't put my seatbelt on.
Pull this little metal flap up. Pull it up. There you go.
Should I get on this side?
You can get up. Yeah, that's fine.
Or this side?
Whatever's easiest for you. I don't want to let that door.
I didn't like it, Daddy.
What?
I didn't like it.
You liked it? You did like it? I thought you did. Is that the best thing you ever
Wow,
did?
look at that big key.
Was that the funnest thing you ever did?
Yeah.
You know, we were way up there. Oh.
But yeah, it's a little bit smoother on the touchdown than that. I was